Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. We are live trading on every single one of these videos. We just ended up winning our, let me get this little brush out here. We won our 39th for 39th winning trade on Ethereum this morning. So if you guys are watching that, great job for all of you guys who won. We had some people take profit up here, about 6%, and I wouldn't doubt if part of our traders are actually dropping the market here. Came out with a Dogecoin video, SOL, and now we're going to go over VET. Guys, my main thing I want to tell you guys for VET today, guys, is you should be buying right now. If you're not buying, I hope it's because you don't have money because you're holding your positions and you're in a loss right now or you just don't have money. Guys, the best thing to do is being buying. I've been calling out these trades here. I'm going to share with you guys literally. Okay, I'm just going to jump in the video. If you guys are not subscribed over here, subscribe. It's $49 a month. Awesome. Here's what I want you guys to do. Come to the front page and scroll down. All of these trades right here, basically all the coins here, have a chart that looks like this. They update every single morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is in about 15 minutes. If these lines do not update, guys, if it goes 3 days and none of the lines update, it's just because the first buy limit hasn't been hit. So it's not that they aren't updated. It's just like, well, if your first buy limit isn't hit, like you don't want to update your buy limits if they haven't been hit. So that's why they will not update some days, because we haven't hit our first buy limit. Here's what I want you guys to do for VeChain today. Literally, there is a yellow line right at the current price right now for VET. What I'm going to tell you guys is this. I'm not going to show it to you guys because I want to keep it for our paid subscribers. But literally right now, if you guys scroll down and you go to VeChain right here, I want you to click on it. What you're going to see is this on the chart. Okay, follow me here. I'm gonna get this a little bit more yellow so we can actually see this a little bit clearer on the chart. This is so important if you guys want to get into this trade. Right now, you guys can market order in at this moment. Here's what you do. If you have $1,000, split it into 25% increments. I'm gonna go a little slower on this video. $1,000, whatever trade allotment you have, split it into 25% increments. That would be, excuse me, sorry guys, let me get this notification out here. That would be a total of 250, 250, 250, and 250, okay? So, what I'm calling right now for VET is for you guys to enter any market order right now for 25% immediately as you watch this video. I want you to bypass that first yellow line, and then I want you to put your first buy limit at the second yellow line. I want you to put your second buy limit at the third yellow line and your fourth buy limit at the fourth yellow line. Guys, VET is so low right now, as I can clearly show you here. Guys, we're down to 9 cents. If you want to be like those millionaires on TV where they're like, oh man, I bought Dogecoin at 5 cents and it headed up. Guys, this is the best time to be buying. I wish I could just like shout it from the rooftops of like, this is the best time to be buying right now. Guys, the Evergrande deal, as bad as that sounds for most people in the market, like it is perfectly setting us up for some of the best buys ever in crypto. If Bitcoin actually goes to 85,000, 100,000, or 150,000, as a lot of people are talking about by the end of the year, you do not want to miss this opportunity right now to get into the market, okay? Do not miss it, guys. I am currently in ADA right now. I'm currently in Ethereum. You guys can see my portfolio over here. We're close to about $11,000 in the market. Like, I am putting my money where my mouth is. I am buying with you guys right now on these coins, and you guys can see my balance here as it will update. I wanted to make sure I show this to you guys. It's not like a screenshot. It's literally my real Coinbase account here. So we're up about 10,946 with this drop here. Doing amazing with this drop because we're risk management so well. Okay, let's go over this. And I want you guys to focus here. Now, watching this, so I want you guys to set that up, okay? Market order in, put your buy limits in for VET. I am going to be going over the metrics today, which you guys don't want to miss. The emotional index, long for short trades, well and institutional smart money. Guys, follow that metric. I promise you, it is what smart money is doing. Support resistance prices, dollar cost average entries. Hello, guys. This is another sign that you should be buying in right now, as well as exit points. So I will be going over that. Let's just do this real quick. The trend exhaustion indicator, guys, is going up in price in 9 days. You literally have 9 days left, and I'm upping it October 1st, okay? Making it very clear for you guys. The price versus the well money flow indicator in here and the trend dashboard, get those on your charts and follow what I'm about to show you. You guys want the most accurate indicators for crypto? Like, these are the 3 in here. I promise you guys. This is coming from someone who's coded indicators for tradingview.com. For 2 years straight, I made my living. I honestly, I made quite a bit of money off of it because I coded so many indicators and people really like them. These are the only 3 I will use on my TradingView chart. I have other ones you guys can get and they're amazing, but Part of the reason why I do this is because I want you guys to be able to trade here. With a free TradingView account, you get 3 indicators on your chart for free with a free account. That's why I like using these, so you guys don't have to pay extra money for your TradingView membership, okay? I am going to cater to the normal guy out there. I used to work with, well, still do, with hedge funds that have millions of dollars in the market. That's who my client base is. My average client is between $100,000 to $1 million. But I'm coming out here and making this so ridiculously cheap for you guys, because at the end of the night, when I put my head on my pillow, I want to know that I help the smaller guys who don't have, $1,000 to pay per month to enter into some membership to get signals. No, it's $49 a month, and I have people making thousands of dollars in here if you guys just want to come in here and look at testimonials. It makes me feel better. That's why I don't charge that much, okay? And we are 39 for 39 wins on this channel. Okay, watch this. The trend exhaustion. Why do you need it on your channel? Well, I'm going to prove it to you. When this gets down to the bottom red section or the top red section, I'm not even looking at price structure. I'm just going to come here. I'm just going to circle a few. This is calling moves down and moves up before they happen in the market. Before they happen. Guys, what's the point of having an indicator if it doesn't call it before it happens? There are lagging indicators. There are leading indicators, okay? This is leading us to tell us what is about to happen in the market. Obviously, I can come back here and I can show you this drop. I can show you where it pumped in the price here. I can show you that drop. I'll show you that drop. They're all there. Let me just do this for time's sake. Look at what happened right when it got to the bottom red zone. We got right here. It called the pump in the market. We got to the top red section up here. Right here. I'm sorry, right there. It called the top before we moved back down. Then it's like, hey, hello, this is at the bottom red section. We see consolidations down here, and all we did was see one of the fastest moves up the entire year for VET when we called the bottom. All right, and then you come over here and you're like, well, did it call the drop? And here's what I want you guys to pay attention to. If you ever see the trend exhaustion pushed into the top red section and you see price structure continue up, that is a huge sign that you need to be careful and you should not be buying that, and you should be looking for a drop in the market, okay? I have proven this to you guys on the Bitcoin video already. I proved it to you on the Ethereum video this last week. If this gets in the top red section, this is what's called bull fakeouts. It's a bull run fake out to a huge drop move back down. Why? Because everyone goes long here. They put their stop losses here. They get their stop losses triggered. They sell. They also flip their positions to go short, and they drive the price down. I know how this works, okay? Look at this. This also called the top position up here before we started seeing the move back down. If that wasn't enough, you guys got a second alert in here. And literally, I just updated this indicator I think it was 8 days ago. You guys now get alerts. So when the white line goes into the top red section here, you guys can actually get an alert to your TradingView channel, to your phone, to your email, when it gets to the top red section, okay? Such a powerful indicator. Really quick, I'm gonna go through this and then we'll get to the metrics. Called the bottom here before we saw a move up. Called the exact top here if you follow my crosshairs down. Look at all that action right there. Perfectly calling the top before it moved back down. You guys who are shorting with this indicator in here, you guys made a stupid amount of money, just to make that clear. Just to be honest, I guess. And then calling the bottom down here before we see it move back up. Easily the best indicator you guys can get on your chart. I partner it with the price versus the well money flow because the well money flow is in green. When you see the money flow get to top sections as well as the trend exhaustion, guys, this is double confirmation of, hello, you need to watch out for these fast moves back down and these fast moves back down. You can see the 2 times that the price versus the well money flow, the money flow in green. If you guys come here and you take this off, the green line and the red line being at the top, that is double confirmation that you guys need to be watching out for the drops. Take a look at this. Top section, top section. What do we see? We saw the drop in the market. Take a look over here. We see this into the top red section over here. We see it in the top section over here. What do we see? A nice drop in the market. It's incredible, guys. 4-hour chart's the best time to use this on, but I actually do have people scalping. I have people, sorry, this is kind of funny. I have to say this real quick and we'll go over the metrics. I'll move us over there so I don't waste time. I have people scalping with the trend exhaustion right now in lower time frames, and they're doing amazing. I even have, and I'm reluctant to say this because I know this is a crypto channel, I actually have people, let me pull this up, VET. I have people doing binary options, scalping with the trend exhaustion, and they're doing between 10 to 20% a day. Oh my gosh, it's ridiculous. So anyways, far more risky, by the way, far more risky. And I am not going to be teaching that to you guys on here. We've won 39 for 39 trades with this indicator in our strategy. So that's where I suggest you guys stay. Okay. So VET Metrics, guys, this is going to update literally in 8 minutes because it's taken me a while to get this video out. Okay, if this is not a clear enough sign, guys, that you should be buying into the market, it's your fault if you don't buy in. And I mean that out of all due respect, and give me grace to say that, guys. These are prices down here that, there are people who FOMO'd in and bought the top up here. You guys want to get back into the place where you guys are like, man, millionaires were made on Dogecoin when it was 5 cents. Well, guess what, guys? You're down here again where this is the place where this can happen. Again, if Bitcoin goes to 85,000, 100,000, 150,000, which I do not believe it will get anywhere close to that by the end of the year, this is going to be the greatest times to buy, okay? You're getting a second chance. This is telling us anxiety is entering into the market. Follow me down. What are Wells, institutions, and smart money doing right now, guys? Like, please pay attention. Wells, institutions, and smart money, they are all acquiring long trades in the market. Guys, they're not selling. Like, hopefully I'm not like being rude on this channel, but there are so many of you guys selling in here. And the problem of why you're selling is because you didn't follow metrics like we have on here, because you bought into the top sections up here and you're mitigating your losses by just getting out of your trades because you're scared. I'm not here to blame anybody. Like, I understand that's why you guys are selling, because you don't want to lose any more. Follow this channel, and like literally we haven't lost a single trade yet, and we went through the whole bear market cycle and the bull market cycle we've been through, both of them. This metric here is going to show you guys that you need to be going long. The only time this said go short was when we literally saw a massive pump up here, and it seriously called the drop before it happened with this one metric here. These metrics are calling these moves incredibly accurately. Okay, let's move down here. If that's not enough, take a look at this metric down here that said this is a great long trade opportunity. Guys, I'm almost like, I'm going to talk to my wife about this, but I think I might actually look to throw in another $5,000 to $10,000 into the account just so I can buy more of this down at rock bottom prices. We are getting such an incredible discount right now. If you guys don't follow these metrics and get in, just follow this, okay? That's all I can say. If I came out here, guys, and I said I had a 50% win rate, I wouldn't be as confident about this. But since we have not lost a trade, that's where the enthusiasm that you're hearing in my voice is coming from. And also people making thousands of dollars on here for our testimonials. Like, just go through these. And I have 5 more testimonials to add to the chart before this week is over, and probably more I need to add. So let's finish up this real quick. As far as support resistance prices, guys, if this thing comes back up, I am looking for a stall out here at right around 11 cents. So let's just look at that very quickly. It's structure low on the chart. So if you guys see this structure lows, now structure highs, which is called the resistance, this is where I expect to see, us get back above break even and then looking to take some profit, okay? Move down here real quick. Dollar cost average entries. This is another sign today. If you guys just want to throw in $1,000 every time you get a green line and hold for 5 to 10 years, here's your sign. Like Larry the Cable Guy, I think that's his name. Like, here's your sign. Like, this is a sign right now to say, get into these positions so you guys can ride this up. I'm not a financial advisor. I am not licensed in my jurisdiction. I'm a YouTuber that does incredibly well to making people money. This is what I am highly suggesting you guys follow today, is look to get into VeChain for these moves. Could VET head down further? Absolutely, it could head down further, but it doesn't have that much more to go before we're back at zero. So guys, these are great places to get in. Also, this exit point is here. It perfectly called the top here before we saw them move back down. So guys, all these metrics are $49 a month. CryptoQuant and all those guys, I've compared it to those metrics, and I've proven to you guys that these are more accurate, and they charge up to $400 to $800 a year, depending on what membership you guys have over there. And we're literally $49 a month. I keep it cheap, like I said in the beginning of the video, to help retail traders. I've helped hedge funds in the past. I can charge thousands of dollars for what I do. I keep it cheap because I want to feel good when I go to bed that I helped the average person out there. If we just make the rich people richer, that's awesome. I honestly don't have any problem with that, because there's a sector for that, because they make jobs for everyone else. But I do want to help everyone else in here that doesn't have, $400 to drop every single month. So guys, set up that long trade for VET. Come down here, set it up. Make sure you guys get the bundle pack of the indicators if you guys want. It's just the best deal. And make sure you guys have the trend exhaustion, trend dashboard, and the price for swell and money flow on your charts. Get into that long trade, guys. I will be continually updating you on VET. God bless you guys so much. Follow this channel, and I think you guys will do absolutely amazing. The indicators, the subscription is in the subscription. The subscription is in the description of this YouTube channel, as well as the first comment on this YouTube video. And I will see you guys later. God bless you guys again. Great job for doing so well. I'll add more testimonials at the end of the week, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.